All right, we are back. My name is Jesse, and today we're working on this 2005-ish EZGO golf cart. It's another Facebook Marketplace find. But I think what's wrong with this golf cart today is the kingpin spindle, or spindle kingpin. I'm going to zoom in here, and we'll be able to take a look here, see what I'm talking about. Here's our golf cart right here. And it shouldn't do this. There's got a lot of play in here. So I don't know if we can see this one, but this one really doesn't do anything. Where this one is super bad. So we will remove the tire here. All right. I believe you could use a 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter. So either one will work. Yeah, you can see it's just really bad. So there's a washer right here. All right. All the old stuff's out. much better. Doesn't move at all. All right, that's gonna wrap this one up. I would say it took about an hour to do this. And if you have the right tools, it'll probably take you less than an hour. I struggled with that piece of wood. Don't do that. What you should have ideally is a rubber mallet to hammer that bottom metal bushing in. But I just didn't have the camera on, but what I ended up using was a 15th, 16th socket. And then I just put the socket up against the metal bushing, and then I hammered the socket, and it pushed the bushing flush against the bottom of the spindle. So this worked perfect, but you know, I have a rubber mallet, just I couldn't find it. But I took it for a ride. It rode smooth, and normally when I would go up a curb is when I would hear the clunking kind of knocking noise, but I went up this curb right now, I didn't hear anything, and you know, when I wiggled the tire, it was rock solid. So I think later on I'll make a couple more videos, just kind of make a series of golf cart videos. Maybe swap out the lights here, add some other lights. I'm trying to look for a lithium battery on Facebook Marketplace, but they sell really quick, so you have to be really fast with those batteries because they go real fast. But every once in a while, you pop up somebody selling a lithium battery for a golf cart for like a couple $100, $200 or $300, and you can get a good deal for like $200. You can get a nice lithium battery. But that's gonna wrap this one up. I'll leave the links in the description for the Kingpin spindle kit. Just got it on Amazon. I want to say it was like $20-ish. I will catch you guys on the next one.